How to get the new Messenger Notes feature. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, Messenger has just released its own notes feature that's kind of similar to Instagram's. However, just like with any new feature, not everyone does have it. Now, if you are one of the few unlucky ones, just like me right here, you don't have this new notes feature and you want to get it, what can you do? Now, first of all, you can simply update your Messenger app on your device using the Play Store or the App Store. However, if you still does not have the feature after you got the latest version of the app, then unfortunately the only thing that you can do is to wait. As with any new feature on any app, Messenger will slowly start to roll this feature to more and more users till everyone get it eventually. And that's the only thing that you can do. So that was it for this video. That's how you can get the new notes feature on Messenger. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.